Hi everyone, so here today I am using the assorted foil embellishment paper from the craft store, and if you've been following me you know that I love using craft stuff in my nail designs and I like showing you how I've created these look. So here I'm going in with a small bead of clear acrylic just to make sure that the paper it sticks onto the well nicely and there's nothing like come sticking up or coming through the acrylic. And what I love about this is that the paper absorbs the liquid and it makes the color look more brighter. So I'm going in with my Glam & Glitz Fairy Dust, which is so pretty, and I'm just filling the spaces with this acrylic. So I'm capping just some of the bits that I didn't put enough acrylic with. I didn't shake the container enough. This is a lovely piece of strip and I liked it, and I was trying to see if I could use it in the nail, but I thought, nah, let's get rid of it. So I took it out. Here I'm just going in with some small caviar beads, the silver ones, and I'll be outlining the pink design. And I'll fill the middle with some mylar paper and some caviar clear and white beads. And I'm just capping each section as I go along. So I'll do this and I'll cover the entire nail just to make sure everything's sealed correctly. I do this with a number 4 brush and I take my very little time. Just making sure that everything is sealed correctly, and when it comes to filing it won't be that thick because the nail is still as thin as possible. So I'll just finish capping, then I'll file, I'll buff, and I'll go in with my CJP. And it's, when I say non-tacky, I mean it's no white. Look at the sparkle on this, guys. This nail gives you life. It looks like a carnival kite or a carnival flag or one of them ribbons that you party with. But if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you do recreate this look, don't forget to tag me at Body Nails Beauty. Thanks for watching, liking and subscribing to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next nail hack tutorial. I'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.